mindset of the people that was existing then because of the colonial rule. By establishing a primary school that also in the Indian language, so that over a period of time we can change our mindset and build the environment that will free out us from the colonial rule. We should, I should first congratulate all the team of Dnyanprassarak Mandal for completing 116 years. Taking the vision of the founder of this Dnyanprassarak Mandal, there are generations together we have worked for building of these institutions, and after working for so many years, these institutions have now been recognized as one of the prominent education institute in the state of Goa. At that point of time, in 1908, was something different. We were under a Portuguese regime. We were ruled by the foreigners, and there was need of introducing literacy. There were social problems. There was poverty also was there expressed by.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.